In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Framer. If you're new to it, Framer is a powerful browser-based tool for designing and building websites visually without needing to write code. We'll walk through getting started, creating your first project, choosing a template, and customizing it so it feels like your own. First, head to the Framer website. You'll land on your project dashboard, which is home base for everything you create. From here, you can organize work, revisit recent projects, and start something new. Take a second to get oriented so you know where your projects will live going forward. Next, click New Project. This opens a clean starting point and brings up options that guide how you want to begin. Framer makes it simple by offering curated templates designed for different needs, like portfolios, landing pages, blogs, and more. So you're never starting from an empty canvas unless you want to. Now, pick a template you want. Browse through the options and look for a layout that's close to your end goal. Pay attention to the overall structure, header, hero, sections, and footer, since these will determine how much you'll need to adjust later. Don't worry about colors, fonts, or imagery yet. Those are easy to change. If multiple templates look good, choose the one with the clearest content flow for your audience. Once the template opens, you can customize and edit it right away. Click on any text to rewrite headlines and body copy to match your message. Replace placeholder images with your own visuals by dragging them in or selecting from your files. Update colors and typography to reflect your brand. You'll usually find style controls in a panel where you can set global fonts, sizes, and palettes for consistent design across the site. Use the canvas to rearrange sections by dragging them up or down. If you need more breathing room, adjust spacing and padding to improve readability. Check the layers or outline panel to select specific elements like buttons or icons, then tweak properties such as size, alignment, and corner radius. Keep an eye on responsiveness by previewing different screen widths inside the editor so everything looks great on desktop and mobile. Replace links on buttons and navigation items so visitors land on the right pages. As you edit, aim for clear hierarchy, strong headline, short subheading, and a focused call to action. When you're satisfied, review each section for consistency, matching colors, even spacing, and accessible contrast. That's it. You went to Framer, created a new project, picked a template, and customized it to fit your brand. Now you're ready to keep refining and make it truly yours.